Hey everyone, it's Mike with JetAdmin. In this video, we'll learn about filters, but not just your regular filters, but nested filters. And what it means is that you can filter by properties or field from related collections or table. You can even go through multiple layers of relations to get to the pretty much the table of interests that's related through multiple steps. Here we have this structure that I will demonstrate this whole thing on. We have customers, we have companies, and we have categories. And customers are related to companies. So we have the within this table, we have the company ID here. And this company ID points to the ID of the companies. So these are linked tables. Now the companies has a field which is called category ID. And category ID points to the ID of the table of the categories. So those are linked as well. And so in our example, what we want to do and what we'll show here is we will have a list of customers, the table of customers, and we want to filter this list of customers by the stage, by the category field from the categories collection. So we'll have to go through two layers of relations, get into the categories collection, and then filter by this property. So let me show you how it can be done. All right, we go in our JetAdmin, and here we have a list of customers, and all I need to do here is to go into this filter. All right. And once again, I have my all my fields here that I can use to filter my data by. But I also have this company ID, and if you hover your mouse over company ID, you can see that you can drill down into this field, and this is the foreign key, so we can kind of get access to the related collection here. So we click into this, and now we have here all the fields from the company, right? So we have the organization name and so on and so forth. And once again, we can list, we can scroll through all these fields and we can find the category ID. This is the foreign key from the category table. And we can once again drill down into this. And here we get access to all the fields from the category ID. And we can choose this category here. And then we can say whatever, let's say category contains, or let's say equals, and then we'll choose SaaS. And we click enter, and now we have all the customers that has the related category of SaaS. Even though we don't have this the access to this field immediately, we can go through these cascade of related collections or related fields and get to whatever field we want from the related collection. So the way it's done, I'll just show you a few prerequisites how to set it up. So we'll go to our Airtable collection, which I've used for this one. And what you'll need to make sure first is within your data editor, the data that you want to use is you have all your collections all linked. What it means is one of two things. You either connect some database like Postgres or a Supabase that already has these relations kind of baked in the schema, and that is just fetched, and Jet already knows that the certain collections are related. If that's not the case, if you, for example, connect with Airtable or Google Sheets, you'll have to set them manually. What you need to do, I will not go into many details on how to do that. You can check the separate video on setting relations. But pretty much you go here and you have your category ID, and you'll have to choose the type link to record and set up the linkage to the specific collection that's related to this table. So this is how it's done. Hope it was helpful, and have a great one. Bye.